we will show the installation of a floating underlay. These are all the materials needed to install the underlay. Make sure that the subfloor is leveled, dry, clean, and in good structural conditions. For this installation, open the packaging 48 hours in advance and leave for climatization. The humidity content of the substrate is critical. It must not exceed 2.5% moisture content. New concrete slabs must be left to cure for 120 days before installation. Temperature should be above 10 degrees Celsius and humidity below 75%. You must first install a moisture barrier across the entire area of the room. The barrier must be installed directly onto the surface of the subfloor. In the opposite direction, you plan to install the underlay to reduce seams in the same direction of the final floor. It should be installed following the outline of the enclosing wall, to a height of at least 30 millimeters and with a minimum overlap of 100 millimeters using a sealing tape to seal the seams. Never mechanically secure the barrier with screws, nails, or staples, since this may undermine its effectiveness. The underlay should be installed in a perpendicular direction to the final floor, which should always be installed in the direction of the natural light incidence in the room. Place one roll of the underlay parallel to the wall and in opposite direction you plan to install the final floor to reduce seams. Cut the underlay material roll to the desired length and install it directly, covering the entire surface of the room. The underlay must cover the entire area without any gaps and be securely joined using sealing tape. Never mechanically secure the underlay with screws, nails, or staples, since this may undermine its effectiveness. Install the flooring in a perpendicular direction to the underlay. Always follow the flooring manufacturer's recommended installation instructions.